Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about working happy. So I'm Daniel Norton. I'm a photographer here in New York, and I make these videos about philosophy and about technique and about various photo things. If you're interested in that stuff, please subscribe. In this video, I just think this is a short little thing I had thought about the other day, and I want to make a little video here to talk to you guys about as the light's fading here at the end of the day. We as creators, right, people that do things in the creative industry for a living, even if or for money or for anything, right? We need to understand that what we're doing is basically like a gift, because there's a lot of people that would love to do what we're doing. I mean, they don't know all the ins and outs. That's probably why. But my point being is that no matter what's happening, if you're on a shoot, you're getting to be a photographer, you're getting to be the creative, you should be happy, right? Be like, oh, I got to do that job. It's like, you have to do that job, you have to be a photographer. It's like, that's what you want to do, right? I'm assuming that you went into the business of photography for that. If you went in for money, you definitely went in for the wrong reason. I mean, because it's not easy to make a lot of money as a photographer, but it is easy to be happy. Because if you love making photos and you love working with people or animals or whatever you photograph, product, then you should be able to walk into every single day and say, I'm doing the thing that I love to do, and I'm going to be happy about it. And I'll tell you what, I'm not just saying this because, like, you're spoiled. That's not the reason why I'm saying this. The reason why I'm saying it is because people want to work with people that are positive. The reality is this: negativity draws more negativity, but positivity also draws positivity. When you are positive, when you are, respectful of other people, when you, interact with other photographers, and you're truly happy that they're having success, and you're not comparing yourself against them, and you're not like trying to stab them in the back, and you're really just like, honestly wanting to have everybody work together and have success, that comes off positively, and people will want to work with you. This is true, of course. I mean, granted, other photographers aren't working with you, but you'd be surprised how many jobs I've been referred to because other photographers sent them to me when they couldn't do it. But this is also true of art directors. It's true of talent. You don't want people gossiping and you don't want to bad talk other photographers to models. You don't want to, bad talk makeup artists to photographers. You basically need to be positive and really be happy that you're able to do the thing you're doing. There's going to be people that you don't want to deal with, and that's fine. There's going to be things that don't always work out perfectly, and that's fine. But the reality is that the more positive you are, the more happy you are, the more business you will bring, and forget about money, you'll just be happy. Like, that's why we're doing this, right? We're doing it because we want to do what we love. So if you can't go into it with this like positive attitude of, I'm going to try to, look at every single job. I'm not going to be like, oh, I only got one headshot this week. It's like, I got one headshot this week. I'm going to do the best job I possibly can with that headshot. It's funny, because I do a lot of live presentations, and sometimes people have been there. Sometimes it's packed. People are like standing. They can't even like sit down. There's like a ton of people there, And then sometimes there's like 10 people there. But guess what? I give the exact same presentation if there's 10 or if there's 100, because I'm excited to do it. And I'm not moping that I didn't get a good turnout, and I'm not patting myself on the back that I did, maybe a little bit. I'm looking at it like I'm doing my thing, and it's awesome, And if those 10 people that showed up on that one day really learned something from it and really got something for it and recommend me and they say things, that could lead to something. Even if there was only 10 people there. Because it doesn't take 100 people to steadily follow you and to promote you. It takes just a few. A few people that are very loyal, that very much like what you do, and that you give that effort to. If they showed up, they took their effort to go. In this case, they took that effort to come see me. It's like, I don't know where they came from. They came to see me. Like, I'm not going to do a half-assed job just because I didn't get as many people as I wanted there. And same thing on a job. Maybe you wanted this great location, but the budget didn't call for it, so you're shooting in a studio. Don't be bummed about it. Make the best friggin' studio shot you can possibly make. Maybe you only got one model instead of two models, so it's a little bit more difficult. You couldn't do some of the shots you want to do. So what? Make awesome shots with the one model. Because it's not like, oh, yeah, we only have you, so we'll just do it. No, it's we have you, you're here, we're working with you. That's the positive way. That's what's going to get people to want to work with you. Because ultimately, that's it, right? There's a lot of photographers out there, and honestly, for most commercial type work, and I've probably said that a bunch of times, there's a lot of competent photographers that can do the job. People want to work with people they want to be around. So try to always act positive and put yourself out as a positive being, even if you're not always. That's why you go home and watch horror movies or whatever you do to kind of blow off steam. That's why you run track or you lift weights or do those things. That's when you let out that you don't let it out in front of other people where they're going to see you as kind of a jerk. So anyways, I know this one was short and it's kind of preachy, but I feel like every once in a while it's good to do a good little motivational one. So try to be happy, shoot happy, work happy, create happy. And if you do that, then people will want to work with you. There should be laughter. There should be, enjoyment in everything that we do. And if you are the one to bring that, you're going to be the one that people want around. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell. You'll get all these notifications and whatnot. And I will see you next time.